Dahil sa gumagandang COVID-19 situation sa maraming bahagi ng bansa, may ilang university at college campuses na rin ang handa na sa limited face-to-face classes. Isa na riyan ang Don Honorio Ventura State University o DHVSU, isa sa pinakamalaking pamantasan sa Pampanga.
All what we are doing here now are all in preparation for a limited face-to-face, no? Maybe during next semester. But we still have to wait for the decision of people from the higher ups, especially the National IATF, the Commission on Higher Education, and the LGUs.
Ang higit 1,000 teaching at non-teaching staff ng DHVSU ay nabakunahan na rin kontra coronavirus disease.
Well, an overwhelming majority of the faculty and staff of the university have already been inoculated or vaccinated.
Alinsunod na rin sa guidelines ng Commission on Higher Education, hinihikayat na rin nila ang kanilang mga mag-aaral na magpaturok ng COVID vaccines. Mayroon din umanong inilaan na bakuna ang provincial government para sa mga mag-aaral ng naturang universidad.
From the commitment of the governor is allocating 40,000 vaccines, no? But this will be implemented on a staggered basis, no? But definitely before the fiscal year ends, no? This 40,000 allocation for vaccines for our students will be given to our students.
Ayon kay CHED Chairman Prospero de Vera, maliban sa health at safety protocols na ipatutupad sa bawat campus, pinakamainam pa rin umano na bakunado ang mga mag-aaral at guro, kung kaya't inilunsad na rin nila ang school-based vaccination program.
We want to slowly open up our schools for a combination of online, offline, and face-to-face. And we can successfully do that if we increase the level of safety for everyone in the schools.
Sa Pampanga, nagsimula na noong Oktubre ang pagbabakuna sa mga college students sa Our Lady of Fatima University, Mabalacat City College at sa City College of San Fernando. Ongoing na rin ang pediatric vaccination sa buong gitnang Luzon kung saan makatatanggap ng COVID vaccine sa mga batang edad 12 hanggang 17 anyos. Riniel Pawid, CLTV News.